In a land far, far away, there once was a village divided. The village was home to two distinct groups, the builders and the breakers. The builders believed in creating, constructing, and crafting, while the breakers focused on tearing down and disrupting. The builders lived in harmony, building homes, roads, and bridges to make their lives easier. They worked together, sharing their skills and knowledge to create a thriving community. The breakers, on the other hand, derived pleasure from causing chaos and destruction, leaving the village in disarray. One day, a great storm hit the village. The rain was relentless, and the river swelled, threatening to wash away all that the builders had created. The builders knew they had to act fast, but they were unsure of what to do. In the midst of the chaos, a young builder named Eli stepped forward. Eli was known for his innovative ideas and his ability to bring people together. He proposed an unconventional solution. Instead of trying to hold back the river, they should build a bridge over it. The builders were skeptical at first, but Eli's passion was infectious. He explained that by building a bridge, they could bypass the river and continue their work undisturbed. The builders agreed to give it a try. Eli rallied the builders, and together they set to work. They gathered materials, designed a plan, and began construction. The breakers watched from a distance, smirking and sneering, ready to tear down the bridge as soon as it was finished. But the builders didn't let the breakers deter them. They worked tirelessly, day and night, determined to protect their home. Finally, after what felt like an eternity, the bridge was complete. The river roared below, but the bridge held strong. The builders cheered, their spirits soaring. They had built something truly extraordinary. The breakers watched in awe, their taunts replaced by silence. Seeing the success of the bridge, the breakers felt a pang of regret. They realized that their destructive ways had only brought misery and chaos, while the builders had built something beautiful. One by one, the breakers approached Eli and asked for his help. They wanted to learn how to build, not break. Eli welcomed them with open arms, teaching them the skills they needed to become builders. The village was transformed. The once divided town was now united, working together to build a better future. The river still flowed, but it was no longer a threat. Instead, it became a symbol of the boundless potential that lay within the village. And so, the story of the builders and the breakers serves as a reminder to us all. It teaches us that destruction has no place in a world where we strive to build, create, and grow. Let us be like the builders, working together to build bridges of understanding, not walls of division. Let us create a world where everyone has the opportunity to build their dreams, not just tear them down.